Good job, buddy. Clean it up.
Clean it up, Brandon. Brandon, clean it up.
Good
job.
Good job.
Oh,
Good
so
job.
pretty. Clean it up.
Good job. Good job, Brandon.
Come on, you can get down. Good job. Good job. Show Gigi how you clean. Will you make sure that nozzle's off?
Brandon. Brandon, clean the treadmill. Go clean up the treadmill, buddy. Come on. No, come on. Come on, let's go clean up the treadmill. Come on. Let's clean the treadmill. Brandon.
He's gonna clean the
Oh, you're
stepper.
gonna clean the stepper? Okay, go ahead and clean the stepper. Here. Good job. You're doing a good job.
Good job. Is it almost ready for Daddy? Is it all clean yet? It's all done. Good job, Brandon.
Yay! Good job.
Oh, did you miss a spot? Yeah.
Thank you. Are you gonna keep that? You keep that too? Okay. Yep. What are you gonna clean next? How about you clean this? Look, see? See where Mama sweats? See where she leaves her sweat? Doesn't clean it up?
Whoops, I was focusing on there. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, so cute. Say bye-bye, Gigi.
Brandon, put it away.
Say bye-bye, Gigi.
Go put it away. Put it away. Good job. Brandon, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Gigi.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Oh, so cute. Here, give Gigi a big smile. Brandon. 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 Brandon.
Brandon.
Say bye. Say bye. Give her a headshot.
Okay, I'll take that. What's Mommy got?
Brandon. Brandon. Brandon, smile. Okay, bye-bye.